Okay, dear students, but next what about you can review the previous class, okay na? But now we'll discuss what about theory part for the part 3, but already you know very well what about part 1, part 2, part 3 theory parts like it. Part 1, part 2 already completed. Now going on part 3 theory part like it. Part 3 concept oriented problems like. What about part 3 will say one of the chord of contact, polar, pole and conjugate points, conjugate lines. Next what about next inverse points are there. And also one of the angle between the pair of lines. What about previous class you have discussed? What about given points are conjugate or not? If the points are conjugate, what about unknown value? If the lines are conjugate, what about unknown value? So next what about next already one of the last one recently, but angle between the pair of tangents. So now going on same continuation problem, so but we'll discuss. But yesterday I have posted your WhatsApp group what about in our college material like a module 2 and module 3 in detail solutions are there. Each and every student keep your notes and also your computer brain. So it is very very important amma, but already everything you have got in detail solutions are there in your WhatsApp group PDF files. Okay na, each and every student keep your notes. So it is very very important amma. Next previous class continuation, what about next we'll discuss question number 4 item. Second bit question number 4, find the locus of P. Locus of P if the tangents drawn from P to x square plus y square is equal to a square, include an angle alpha, What about problem you can observe it? So already you know that. So what about you can draw the one of the circle, roughly you can draw each and every problem tentatively, but we will develop the concept like graphical representation is very important amma. Okay, but next what about pair of tangents drawn from point locus of the point P of x1 comma y1, and also included angle alpha given that you know very well. What about angle bisector is nothing but alpha by 2. You know very well S11 like a radius, like a perpendicular distance like okay na, C, B. Okay, next form a right angle triangle according to theory part, you know that tan theta by t is equal to r by square root of S11. Previous class I have told that previous, okay na? But what about process already, okay, we know the diagram is there, okay. What about given equation of the circle, x square like a s, x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, fine. What about let us consider P of x1 comma y1 be the locus of the point, right? Locus of the point in the plane of circle, Since already given that what about alpha be the angle between the pair of tangents. Okay, fine, pair of tangents. What about already you know very well. What about how the result? But next we'll say that tan theta by 2 is equal to r by square root of S11. But what about r is nothing but already you know very well a. So tan alpha by 2. Now we can find the value tan alpha by 2. What about r is equal to radius of the given circle A? Okay, fine. What about S11 means in place of x is nothing but x1 square y1 square minus a square. Okay, fine. Already know that. Now do cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. Now do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What about will say result? X1 square plus y1 square minus a square of tan square alpha by 2 is a square. Okay, fine. But tan square alpha by 2 comes right side. What about you have the result? X1 square y1 square minus a square is equal to a square cot square alpha by 2, right? Why? Because a square by tan square 1 by tan square is nothing but cot square. Okay, fine. What about next step? So you can expect what about a square minus a square is there comes right side and also one more a square is there on right side, but we will take common 1 plus cot square alpha by 2. What about 1 plus cot square alpha by 2 result cosecant square. So now we can write down hence the locus of P is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to a square of cosecant square alpha by 2. So it is one of the result. But very simple So it is one of the problem. What about locus of given that we will consider like what about locus of the point x1 y1 already know very well starting onwards first year onwards. Okay, one of the circle. What about dot of the given circle? Center is 0, 0. Radius is a. You know very well. What about alpha is nothing but already you know that angle between the pair of tangents in place of theta is equal to alpha, right? Okay, fine. What about radius r is equal to a? S11. You know what about in place of x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. Then substitute what about result? X1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Then what about next do cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. Then finally, but we will get the locus of the point, that's all. But each and every problem you can review. So what about its related theory part? Okay, fine. Already completed, you know. What about just you can review. What about process? So 1 or 2 times just you can recall. Already permanent save your computer brain. So it is one of the important, time saving is very important. Simultaneously, we will do the practice like a public exam and also entrance. Both sides will develop the, okay na? But why? Because, but always you can remember due to lack of time. Time is very, very important. So that purpose, so you can minimize, you can, okay na? But why? Because subject is like a ocean. Why? Because but each and every topic will do the practice at least 2 to 3 times, then we will get the perfectness. Otherwise, everything you have got confusing. So that purpose, present will do the practice and also copying, and also you can also review the like a drilling. Okay na? Next one more problem. Find the locus of P. Find the locus of P, if the tangents so drawn from P to x square plus y square is equal to a square are perpendicular. What about are perpendicular, okay, to each other, okay. But what about you have the process, same concept right now. Perpendicular means what about alpha is equal to 90. What about alpha is equal to 90. Not only alpha, as well like we'll consider like a theta, right? So 90. Okay, fine. Next, what about result of 45 degrees? 45 degrees. Okay, but next, what about tan 45, right? Tan 45. What about tan 45 result of 1? Okay, fine, 1. So we have the result like a 1. Now do cross multiplication. Okay, see. But next tan 45 is 1, x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to a square. Okay, fine. X1 square plus y1 square is equal to 2a square. What about 2a square? So already I have told that one of the point starting class. So it is one of the director circle. What about definition of the director circle, amma? What about, sir? Once again, see. What about director circle? What about, sir? Director circle, correspondent circle. So it is one of the important point, amma. Director circle is nothing but the locus of the point of intersection of the tangent. So is nothing but one of the circle form a director circle. These circles are called like a concentric circles. What about concentric circles? Okay, na? So once again already same, similar to previous. Why? Because but we will do the one of the problem, do the practice simultaneously. But we can comes to the same similar problems. What about 1, 2, 3 problems are similar. That's all enough. I know that. What about so and so exercise problems are finished. What about next can enter the entrance point of view. What about its related concept oriented problems? Just will do the practice like a module 1, module 2, module 3, and also remaining what about so many entrance books are so there. And also one of the repeated coaching center material also is there, but we will do each and every problem. Okay, it is one of the your duty, that is your responsible. But very simple, you know that previous angle given, that present perpendicular. Perpendicular means in theta is equal to 90. Just you have to do same process. That's all. We will get the result. So it is one of the director circle. What about say? The point, the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents is called a director circle. Is called a director circle. It is one of the director circle. Okay, fine. Then next we will discuss one more problem. So already you know very well. Okay, same second bit only. What about question number 6th one? Question number 6, right? 6th problem. Find the slope of the polar of 1, 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Also find the distance. From the center to it. But what about problem? Say your idea. First, you can develop the what about theme of given problem. We should not maximum number of students, more than 50% of the students. But I have observed, but like a drilling process in public exam point of view only. But remaining okay, but few more students are, but we will do the concept to orientation point of view, do the practice. But should not practice either public exam or entrance point of what about theme of given problem. You can read at least 2 to 3 times. First should not get idea only. Don't worry, you can read. You can enter the dragon. What about problem? Find the polar. Okay. What about again prevail to back? What about it's related to theory part? Every problem should comes to the junction part. What about junction part? It's related theory part. Like what about card of contact? Like a polar and pole. What about conjugate points? These are the concept. Like okay, na? What about polar of the point? Polar of p of x comma y with respect to circle is nothing but S10. Okay, fine. You know that equation of polar. Then what about slope? What about already you know that slope according to straight lines, its concept again prevail to back. What about slope of the line? You know that minus a by b, that is minus coefficient of x by y. That's all. Finish already first sentence. Finished. Already you know that polar. What about center is there? Center of the circle. Okay, fine. You know minus g minus f. What about next one? Find the distance from center to it. Again prevailed back. What about concept like according to straight lines distance formula? Finish already have everything solution. So it is this type of practice must and should develop. It is very very important. We are like a would be engineers, but this type of practice each and every time. That's all. Okay, enough. But no need of number of times drilling. Okay, fine. What about we will say process? But first you can write a given equation of the circle. Okay, what about solution? Everything you know that. Just you have good. What about process? Like a drafting. Like what about sequence is there? But circle like s x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0, 1. But with center, what about center is nothing but you know very well, but already minus j minus f, right? I have told that previous class. Just you can observe it opposite sign plus 4 is there. It's off, right? That's all. Enough. Opposite sign. What about it's off 2? That's all. We'll get the center. That is 2 comma 2 is the center. Fine. What about next to one of the point given that and the pole. What about pole given that pole p of x1 y1 is 1 comma 3. Fine. What about these are the given particulars of the problem. What about next to 1 by 1 again prevailed back. What about its related theory part like a equation of the polar. Say equation of the polar of p of x1 y1 with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 is s1 0. Okay, fine. What about s1? Already have the previous class. Replace x square by xx1 y square by yy1, but next to 2 x is nothing but x plus x1, g of x plus x1, f of y plus y1 plus c is one of the formula. Now you can substitute the corresponding values. X of x1 1, y of 3. What about g? G is equal to minus 2, right? Minus 2 of. Simply you can remember same sign. It's of, right? That's all. X plus 1, same sign, minus 2 of y plus 3. What about constant term? Same as t, right? That's all. Enough. Okay, then what next to simplification? 3y minus 2x, so minus 2 minus 2y minus 6 minus 4 is 0. Fine. What about x minus 2x minus x plus 3y minus 2y plus y. Okay, but what about constant terms? Minus 12, right? Minus 12 is 0. But multiply minus will take common. What about you have the equation x minus y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, fine. What about next? Already finished first one. Then also find the, what about next? Now you can find the perpendicular distance, right? The perpendicular distance from center. What about center, amma? 2, 2 to the polar. To the polar. What about polar equation is x minus y plus 12 is equal to 0 is. What about distance formula? You know very well. In place of x is equal to 2, y also 2, 12 by square root of a square plus b square according to straight lines concept. 1 square minus 1 whole square is plus 1 whole square. Okay, what about result? 12 by root 2. 12 by root 2 can be written as 6 root 2. What about you have the result? 6 root 2. Very simple. What about say you will have the concept like a simply. What about problem? Polar is required. Already you know very well. What about equation of the polar? Fine. Already polar you know that. What about slope is required, amma? Okay. And its slope. Its slope. What about according to straight lines? Minus a by b. What about a? 1 minus 1. What about b, amma? Minus 1. What about you have the result of 1? See, one of the point like you know that it is one of the, okay, fine, which is second one, okay, fine, which is third one. But same problem we have involving 3 types of concepts are there. One is polar, then second one first year concept, then third one also first year concept. Okay, na? So it is one of the process. So each and every problem you can observe that previous class and today's class. So only these 2 classes, these problems are belongs to only we have got to theory part only concept only. Just you can remember every day. Just you can recall the theory part. Like what about its related to concept. So that is very very important, amma. Okay, are you clear? But it is one of the process. Okay, but next we will discuss one more problem, same bit, 7th one, right? 7th one. Okay, but next the problem. Okay, see, you can observe it, 7th one. If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, okay, is the polar of 1, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and HCF of ABC is equal to 1, then find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, but what about process, amma? But you can observe it previous everything we have, every problem have depends on basic concepts only. Basics are one of the foundation. These are the pillars of the mathematics. Always remember, amma, without basics they have no mathematics. Without pillars they have no building. So it is one of the concept, one of the process. Okay, see, what about the process, amma? Same, already circle and one of the polar given that. Okay, fine. What about given equation of the circle? What about s is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1, 0, 1. That's all. Fine. And the polar. What about ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, 2. Okay. And one of the pole given that, and the pole already given that p of x1 y1 is 1 1. Okay. What about concept? Now according to theory part, to find the equation of the polar, right? So equation of the polar of p of x1 y1 with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 is s1 0. So it is one of the point, like, okay, it is one of the formula according to theorem. Okay. What about we have the result of s1, you know very well, xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 f of y plus y1 plus c. What about in place of x1 x1, right now, y1 1. What about g? Simply you can remember same sign, minus 2 is there, it's half, right? 1 half x plus 1, that's all enough. Plus same sign, 2 is there, half 1, y plus y1 1 plus what about c, constant 1, that's all enough. What about next to x plus y minus x minus y plus y plus 1 0. X get cancel, y plus y 1 1 also get cancel. What about 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. What about you have the observation of the equations 2 and 3? What about see? Already one of the given polar. What about equation 3? Obtain the polar according to theorem. What about equation of the polar? It's a related polar given that. What about equations 2 and 3? Represent the same polar of the circle. So equations 2 and 3 represents the same line, like same line means polar is one of the line only. What about concept, you know very well, according to straight lines, you know, a by, what about coefficient of x in equation 3, 0, b by 2, c by 1. Okay, fine. Let us consider its ratio is k, right? K. What about a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2k, c is equal to k. Okay, fine. It's already another. What about HCF? What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Of. So now we'll say HCF of ABC is equal to 1 given that. So that is HCF of 0 2k, k is equal to k is equal to 1, right? What about C? Its total result k into 0, k into 2, k into 1, k is there. But now we have the result k is equal to 1, right? So therefore now we can find the value. What about now a square plus b square plus c square. What about k? A is equal to, have the result a0, b2, c1, 0 plus 4 plus 1. What about you have the result 5? What about c? Just you have got different types of given that same concept, but making different concepts are there. What about one of the concept to find the equation of polar, and also one more polar given that actually. Okay, but obtain the polar and given polar, what about these two have same concept, same line only, same line to the given circle. But what about according to straight line, two lines represent the same line, Two equations represent the same line. What about A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2? Its ratio will consider K. What about A, B, C? Okay, fine. What about greatest common factor, like highest means greatest, G, C, D, like greatest common divisor, like that is also called. Highest common factor of what about A, B, C? A, 0, 2K, K. What about process? K into 0, K into 2, K into 1. What about highest common factor? K. Already is 1 given that. What about K is equal to 1? So now we can write down A0, B2, Ck. What about now substitute the, obtain the values, we will get the result. That's all, finish. Okay na? Next, one of the type of problem. So these problems are belongs to like a second bit problem. Okay na? Now we will discuss what about third bit problem. So just you have got a few more theory part is there including. Okay na? But each and every either first bit or second bit or third bit, each and every problem depends on same basic concept. Okay, see. So one of the problem, third bit, first one, find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of tangents at the points where x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0 meets the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. What about problems? You can observe it, Amma. But first time should not get idea. But what about zero idea? Like what about say once again you can read. What about circle given that? Okay, fine. What about next? But required coordinates. Okay, fine. What about the line? What about I should not get ideas, sir? Okay, fine. What about next one? Okay, na? But again and again, what about, sir? But we should not get ideas, sir. Once again, okay. First you can draw the circle. Okay, fine. Circle. What next? Line. The line meet the circle in two distinct points. Okay, it is one of the given line. So points A and B. Okay, fine. But next you can draw the tangents at the points, obtain endpoints of the chord. Okay, but next what about the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at A and B is nothing but one of the point P of x1 comma y1. Are you clear? So which is the required point? P is the required point. Okay, what about already given equation like x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Fine. What about according to theorem? So what about which is the chord of contact? Already previous class you know very well, chord of contact. What about equation S10? S10. Okay, fine. But you know that what about its related diagram? You know, what about process? Okay, but roughly you can draw the given data on diagram graphically. What about process? We'll say, okay, it is one of the, okay, your idea is fine. but your idea can be presenting on paper, like on paper it is one of the important. For example, okay, ideas are, will get different ideas, but obtain the ideas, so will getting the ideas, put in paper, put on paper, write down, put on paper. What about say process? So you can write a given equation of the circle. Okay, fine. S. What about circle? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, 1. Okay, fine. What next? And one of the card given that, and the line, okay na? What about x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0, 2. Okay. What about, let us consider, what about P is nothing but point of intersection of the tangents, okay na? Be the required point of intersection of the tangents, okay na? Drawn at A and B. Okay, fine. What about next time we have the result like a? So you know very well. What about equation of the chord is nothing but already previous class, you know, equation of the chord of contact of P of x1 y1 with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 is S1 0. Already I have told that. What about equation of the tangent, equation of the chord, equation of the polar, both are same formula, but different concepts are there. One is tangent different, chord of contact different, polar is contact. Finally, but we have the equation is same, S1 0. Okay, S1. What about S1? Will say replace x square by xx1 item. Xx1. What about next to y1? Okay, then next go to minus 1 of x plus x1. What about next to plus 3 by 2 right? Y plus y1 minus 5 is 0. Now we'll prepare one of the line formation. What about general form of the line? Ax plus by plus c, Ax plus by plus c formation. But x will take common, x of x1 minus 1, x1 minus 1. Okay, then y will take common, y of, what about c? y1 plus 3 by 2. Okay, fine. What about next term, remaining constant terms like minus x1 plus 3 by 2 y1 minus 5 is equal to 0. What about equation 3? See, you can once again, x of x1 minus 1, okay, finish, y of y1 plus 3 by 2. What about remaining constant? Treat as minus x1 plus 3 by 2 y1 minus 5. What about equations 2 and 3? Both are same, which is S1 0. Already given chord. What about already know that concept too? Both are represent the same formation. What about C? Equations so 2 and 3 represent the same line. Represents the same line. Okay, fine. What about next? We have the process x1 minus 1 by 1. Okay, fine. Next to y1 plus 3 by 2 by 4. Okay, fine. Next to minus x1 plus 3 by 2 y1 minus 5 by minus 14. Okay, fine. Now we'll consider its ratio is km. Okay. What about first one, first and last? Now we'll say x1 minus 1 k, but x1 is equal to 1 plus k, right? Okay. What about y1 plus 3 by 2 by 4 is equal to k? Now we'll say y1 is equal to 4k minus 3 by 2. 4k minus 3 by 2. Okay, fine. What about last one? Let's say minus x1 plus 3 by 2 y1 minus 5 by minus 14 is equal to k. Okay. What about x1 minus x1? But in place of minus x1, you can write down, substitute the value. 1 minus 1 minus k write down. Okay, fine. What about y1? Will say 3 by 2 of 4k minus 3 by 2. Okay, next minus k 5. What about next minus 14k? See, you can observe it. In place of x1 1 plus k, y1 is nothing but 4k minus 3 by 2 write down. Now do cross multiplication. What about you have the result? You can simplify that value. Okay, its result in place of write minus k, but minus 6 minus 6 write down. Okay, fine. But right side, what about you have the minus 14k is there. Minus 14k. But here minus k comes right side. What about minus 13k? Okay, but next 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 2 plus 6k right? Plus 6k. But what about plus into minus? Minus 9 by 2. 9 by 4 2 2 9 by 4. Okay. Minus 1. Minus 5. What about result? Minus 6 already is nothing. Next, what about next its result? You can observe it. 2 into 2. 2 2 get cancelled. 6k plus 6k. Next, already minus k is there. Minus k is equal right side minus 14k is there. Okay, fine. What about you can say result minus its total result 6k minus k 5k, but 5k comes right side. What about you have the minus 19k? Okay, minus 19k. What about next you have the result minus 6 minus 9 by 4 is there. Minus of what about 4 is the LCM. But next to 24 plus 9. Okay, fine. What about you have the result minus get cancel. Fine. What about next k is equal to say result 33. 33 by 9 into 19 into 4. 19 into 4 is nothing but 76 right now. 76 k is equal to 76. Okay, fine. What about x1 is nothing but 1 plus k. What about k is equal to 33 by 76. Now we have take LCM 76 plus 33. What about you have the result 109 by 76. Okay, fine. What about y1 is nothing but 4 into, but next to 4 into k 33 by 76 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 4 into what about result 4, but 19 are right. 19. Now we have the LCM is 19 to the 38 right. What about you have the result 66 minus what about 19 3 27 57. Okay, fine. What about you have the result 9 by 38. Okay, what about we have the required point minus 109 by 76, 9 by 38. It is complete concept oriented problem. Complete like a one of the have got like a brain cracking problem. What about simplification is very important. So one of the concept simply have got what about process you can observe it. Only one of the circle given that, and also the line meets. What about the line meet the circle in two distinct points at A and B. You can draw the tangents at A and B. If the tangents are intersected one of the point P, which is the required point. What about process? First of all, according to theorem, you know that what about AB is nothing but chord of contact. What about chord of contact formula? S1 is equal to 0. You know that process which is complete, S1 is equal to 0. What about equation 3? Already equation 2 given that is also same chord. What about these two are nothing but represent the same line. What about A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So its ratio will consider K right. Okay. First time K, second to K, third one K. What about x1, y1? You know that x1, y1, these two values are substituted in place of x1, y1. After simplifying, what about K is equal to 33 by 76. Okay, 33 by. Next again prevailed back. What about x1? 1 plus K. In place of K is equal to 33 by 76. After LCM, what about x coordinate? 109 by 76. Okay, fine. What about y1 is nothing but 4 of K, 33 by 76 minus 3 by 2. After simplifying, what about 9 by 38. So, you know that x coordinate and y coordinate, what about which is the required point? See, the coordinates of the point of intersection of the tangents, okay na? So, it is one of the process, okay na? So, just you can observe it, what about each and every problem depends on one of the concept only, okay na? So, but you can observe it, Amma. So, each and every problem, what about only depends on theory part only. So, one more related problem I will say that, okay na? So, next what about you have the observation, Amma, each and every problem, take your idea. What about sir, each and every problem depends on basic concept, so it's a related theory part only, that's all. But what about entrance point of view? In entrance point of view, same basic concept will, but will making different formations, different types are there. So that is depends on paper setter. So one of the problem I will say that. So one of the related problem. So second one right now. So second one is one of the important both like a public exam and entrance point of view. If the polar of the points on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square, then prove that ABC are in geometrical progression. What about process? But you can observe it, these three circles have the same center. What about then they are called concentric circles? Concentric circles. But what about already concentric circles? Previous class I have told that. What about sir? Simple technique. I know that. What about say? If the two circles have the same center, then they are called concentric circles. You can observe it. So these three circles have the same center. What about center is nothing but origin like it. Okay, one of the point of P lies on the one of the circle like P of x1 y1. What about one of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square? First one. What about second one? X square plus y square is equal to b square. What about third one? X square plus y square is equal to c square. Okay, fine. Now you can observe it, So these are the points of intersection of the tangents. Okay, fine. What about the locus of point of intersection of the tangents is nothing but one of the polar. What about which is polar of P? Polar of P with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square. Now you can find the distance formula, perpendicular distance. What about radius is c, right? So it is one of the process. You know the diagram. What about you have got process given equation of the circles. What about first one, x square plus y square is equal to a square. What about second one, x square plus y square is equal to b square. And third one, x square plus y square is equal to c square. Okay, third one. Let us consider what about P of x1 comma y1. Be the pole lies on the equation 1, right now. What about that is x1 square y1 square is equal to a square. Put equation 4, right now, condition. What about next we can find the equation of the polar. Equation of the polar of P of x1 y1 with respect to the circle. What about second circle item? X square plus y square is equal to b square is replace x square xx1 y square y1 minus b square. What about equation 5? But already given that since equation 5 what about touches the item? Maybe a tangent or tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square with center. What about center? We have the center is 0, 0 and radius. What about c? You can observe a diagram. Radius r is equal to c. Okay. What about condition? You know very well, according to r is equal to d, right? R is equal to d. So then we have the result r is equal to d. What about r is nothing but c? What about distance? Perpendicular distance from center. What about center? 0, 0 to the polar equation 5, right? 5. What about perpendicular distance formula? X of 0, y of 0 plus minus b square by square root of what about result? X1 square, y1 square. So that's all. X1 square, y1 square result already you know that minus b square by a. Okay, c is equal to b square by a. What about AC is equal to b square? AC is equal to b square. Now we'll say result hence A, B, C are in GP. So it is one of the important concept once again. But you can observe that these three circles have same center right now. So then they are called concentric circles. Okay, what about 1, 2, 3? P lies on the one of this equation 1 and also pole right now. What about which is nothing but dotted line is nothing but polar of the circle, polar of P of x1 comma y1 with respect to the second circle touches the third circle. What about condition? Radius is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. Okay, what about radius of the third circle? C, distance formula. After simplifying, what about you have the result? B square by A. What about A? Again x1 square comma y1 square. x1 square y1 square result is nothing but okay, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square is there. A square. Square root of a square is nothing but so since from 4. Okay, C is equal to B square by A. What about AC is equal to B square? What about condition? You know very well, A, B, C are in GP. It is one of the process, amma. So each and every problem will do the practice and but already have to posted your WhatsApp group PDF file. Each and every student who can copy, okay na? But few more problems we'll discuss next class. Okay, right, amma.